if your BMW door handle look like this, I got a quick easy fix for you under 30 bucks. I got these inserts for on Amazon for like 30 bucks, and they're easy to install. So let's do it and see how it goes. So here's the insert. I'll try to do it with one hand, but it should like slide in something like this. See. I cleaned it a little and it looks much better, but still not perfect because of this part was damaged. You can see right here. But it looks better for me, and it's not like sticky anymore. And rear doors, they look much better. I just need to clean here, but most of the damage was here, and it's like not sticky. So if you want to do it, go for it. It's easy and cheap.